Hi, this is Himardi Shekhar Chaudhary, staying at Garhia. Just 7 to 8 months back, I was gaining so much weight. I was at 122 on that time. Due to my overweight, I was so much frustrated and depressed and didn't know what to do. Even I left my job, came back to Kolkata from Nainital. And on that time, my family doctor suggested me to lose weight immediately. But I don't know how to lose weight immediately. And during that time, I was actually searching some opportunity to go to abroad, and I got an opportunity to go to abroad for cruise walk. But for that, I need to lose almost 35 to 40 kgs to achieve my dream. On that time, really I didn't know how to lose the weight, but on that time, my family doctor suggested me to go to Dr. ATIN BANERJEE's chamber, and I have came over here. When I came over here, my weight was 122, and you know what? Within 7 months, I have lost 35 kgs, and now I'm at 87. And not only I have lost 35 kgs within 7 months, I have lost almost 30 inches from my tummy. And on that time, when I was at 122, I was having lots of medical complications like BP, sugar, fatty liver, creatinine, so much. But now I don't have any complications in my body. And the diet and the international treatment which ATIN sir has given me, that is so simple. So I am so much lucky to have ATIN sir in my this fat to fit journey, and I need him in my future endeavor. So thank you so much, sir, for supporting me and for motivating me each and every day in my this fat to fit journey. Thank you, sir.
Call me now for weight loss and pain management. ATIN'S now near Kalighat Metro.